everyone, welcome to the Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how to clean a nail polish brush at home using nail polish remover. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must watch for everyone. I'll be using nail polish remover, a small container to hold the nail polish remover. This container is actually an old medicine cap and a cotton pad to remove all the nail polish from the nail polish brush. I first pour a bit of nail polish remover into the cap. I make sure to not fill it to the brim. I actually fill it to half capacity. Now it depends on how much nail polish is on the brush. It also depends how old it is or even how dried up the nail polish is on the brush to determine the time you will need to clean the brush. If you're interested in nail designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Next, I dip my nail polish brush into the cap. Now focus on what I'm doing to the brush. After dipping the brush, I'm actually trying to fan out the brush. This technique is used so that the product is not stuck between the bristles. The next step is to remove all the excess nail polish remover by sliding the brush against the wall of the cap. And quickly, without wasting any time, I wipe the brush using the cotton pad. I keep repeating this entire process until the bristles are clean or don't stick to each other. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. Now since I mentioned sticky, I want to add this point. Make sure to not use a nail polish remover that leaves a sticky kind of residue behind. Because if you use that, your bristles will not separate apart. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Bye!